545s, welcome to Art for this week. We're going to continue with our spring theme, and you're going to do a birdhouse out of paper. You can see my demonstration there. So what you'll need this week is a magazine, you need a piece of string or wool, a stick, scissors, some glue, piece of paper, whatever sort of paper that you've got, some textures and some pencils. So basically I'm going to do it really quickly and leave the rest to your imagination. So I'm going to get you started, and then I want you to go ahead and create your own little bird houses however you would like. So this is how I did mine. So with my A4 piece of paper, I folded it in half. You can have a birdhouse as big or as small as you like, but not too small. Okay, so then I cut it in half. And then I folded it again. Put a crease in the top part. And a bit like making a paper aeroplane, I folded those parts back. You can see that gives us a nice peak at the top. I glued down the bits at the back, and if I turn it over, that gives us a house shape. Okay, so from that, I'd like you to have a go at decorating. You can draw things on, you can look through your magazines and stick things on. So for my roof part, I just found a strip of colour in my magazine. And the way that I did it was to follow the roof line. I'll just show you this one here. If you want two different ones, I'll just quickly cut this one. And you get the idea of what I did for that part. Okay. So all I did was to stick it, make it like an L shape. Okay, see that L shape there? And then some glue on the top of my house. And then that just sticks on like that. Okay, so you can have bits that overlap like that, or you can cut them shorter if you didn't want them that long. So the next part, so I knew how much room I had, was drawing the bird hole where the bird goes in and out. So I just use a black texture circle. You can trace around anything that you've got in your house that will give you a nice circle. And then I coloured it in just with a pencil. Okay, you could find some black paper and cut out a circle and put on there if you wanted to. It's up to you. I'm going to leave your creativeness to you this week on what you do. Add a bird. You may draw a bird on another piece of paper and add it into the hole. You can decorate the outside of your birdhouse however you like. You can stick pictures on, you can draw pictures, whatever you like to do. So once your birdhouse is completed, okay, I've just got a little bit of hay band there, and with a bit of sticky tape, I stuck it to the back of my birdhouse, and then tied the other end to a stick. Okay, so this week I'm not going to do a full demonstration and get one completely finished in front of you. That's how I want you to get started and finish, and you should have your birdhouse ending up so it can hang off your stick like this. So that's the end product. Your little birdhouse all decorated. Mine says home sweet home with my little birdie in there that I found in the magazine. Okay, So see how you go, get creative. I want to see lots of different types of birds' houses, different colours, drawing, sticking on, whatever you come up with, be creative. Okay, happy arting.